These are the most in-demand ad campaign types to learn if you want to get into digital marketing and land a paid ads job. I'm Chris, and I help beginners land 50 to 60K plus a year digital marketing jobs without any prior experience or education. And I've been in the digital marketing industry for 4+ years now. And just going through these campaign types are going to be the most in demand for you to learn. And once you get some experience and put these into your portfolio, you'll have a lot easier time landing a job. I've had experience in most of these platforms and use them in my job to this day. So the purpose of this video is just to show beginners which ad types are the best and most valuable to learn to get hired for paid media, paid ad roles. And I've gotten these from these specific sources here: LinkedIn job posts, Meta Business Help Center, Google Skills Shop, TikTok Business Center, HubSpot, Microsoft Ads Academy. First off, we're going to be talking about Google Ads. So Google Ads is definitely the top paid ads platform as far as revenue. They get the most amount of ad spend digitally as of now, and I think they're definitely the oldest at the moment. First off, we'll be talking about search campaigns. This is the stereotypical: you search something on Google, you get an ad for it, and that's basically the gist of it. It's just all wording. So you're going to have to be very persuasive with your wording, making sure to elicit emotion, urgency, making sure the offer is good. And when you show up on Google, when people search, it's very, very high intent because those customers are ready to buy. So usually ad spend is going to be a little bit more expensive when it comes to search campaigns, just because the customer is in a zone that they're ready to buy. And search campaigns are common for local service businesses like home service businesses, restaurants, even SaaS companies like software as a service, and other business to business companies where they're selling, a service or product to other businesses. Second, Performance Max, PMax campaigns. These are AI based, so you'll be providing Google, all the media, the wording, pictures, all that stuff. Then you're going to let Google's AI configure all that together and put them everywhere on Google's platform that they think will be best to convert. So these are common for e-commerce, service-based businesses. You do want to be careful here because as PMax is getting developed and getting better, there are still some flaws with it. Since AI isn't perfect yet, they will mistakenly put some stuff together. It might not look too good. So just be wary and make sure you watch your PMax campaigns when you run them. Third, YouTube ads. These are the video ads that you guys commonly see on YouTube. They are the ads that pay the creator that you're watching the video that the ads are running on. And these are very common. People with info products, courses, digital products, software businesses, they all do that to run brand awareness on YouTube. 4, shopping ads. So these show product listings directly in the search. So if you're searching for tennis rackets, if you're searching for shoes, you'll usually see pictures of different products at the top of Google. You'll see the picture, the price, and those are shopping ads. So those are very common for e-commerce brands to run. And then 5th, retargeting campaigns. You re-engage warm audiences. So it could be people that interacted with your campaign. It could be people that interacted with your website, past visitors. And it's used basically across all different industries. And you can run display retargeting, which is like a picture ad that, let's say if someone has interacted with one of your Google ads, your website before, they didn't buy, they didn't purchase, you could retarget them. Since they're warmer traffic, they're a little bit more likely to convert versus cold. So you get more familiarity there. And those are also very effective. So that's it. Google Ads is that first platform. Second is Meta Ads, Facebook and Instagram. The first campaign type is a lead gen campaign. You can capture leads directly within the app. They have a form in the app after the ad, or you could get them to go directly to your landing page, and then you can have a form there on your website. Either or works. These right here are common for gyms, med spa, real estate, local services. And second campaign type, website and conversion campaigns. These specifically drive sales or bookings. If you want to be booked, booking calls, driving sales to your store, your website. Meta ads, this right here is common for e-commerce, digital products, online coaches. And then third, retargeting campaigns as well. Re-engage warm audiences used across all industries. Retargeting campaigns can be very important, especially for a full funnel strategy. Some people, if not most people, they're going to need to see you multiple times. I think there's this study Google did that someone needs to have like 7+ touch points. They need to consume 7 hours worth of your content to get comfortable with you. So you need to be able to touch the prospect at multiple points as they're getting more familiar with your brand. So third is TikTok ads. Number one is in-feed video ads, native ads inside the user feed. So if you guys ever see any TikTok videos, it's a person talking to you about a product that they've used and it looks like a natural, organic piece of content, but it's actually paid, then that's a in-feed video ad. And this is very common for UGC, like user-generated content heavy brands like beauty, fitness, fashion. They just want to make it look as real and organic as possible, even though it's an ad. Second is Spark ads, boosting top performing organic content. Very common for creators, direct to consumer brands. So posting just organic TikTok, whichever ones seem to outperform the others, then you'll boost that with ad dollars. Very good strategy there. And then lastly is LinkedIn ads. So one, lead gen forms you fill out directly on LinkedIn, and these are going to be best for B2B software as a service. So if you're working for a SaaS company and their customers are other businesses, LinkedIn ads are going to be your bread and butter there. Hiring firms, webinars, all that are common for lead gen forms on LinkedIn. And then website conversion campaigns, you drive traffic directly to your calendar to book demos. Also, it's going to be very common for SaaS companies and marketing agencies. Most software companies, you're definitely going to be needing LinkedIn ads experience for sure. And the final advice here, just learn 1-2 platforms deeply with some mock campaigns and some real campaigns, just so you can get familiar with them. And then showcase those results in a portfolio, like on a website. And then after that, just understand them more and more. Just understand all the different features, the settings, everything you need to know there. And obviously the tools here, Meta Ads Manager, Google Ads, TikTok Business Center, LinkedIn Campaign Manager. And that's all of them. Hope you guys found that useful. And if you guys are interested in wanting a blueprint on how to land a digital marketing job, go ahead and check out my website, chrishwin.com, in the link down below. And I'll send you the free blueprint. It's a free video guide. And if you have any questions, comments, any critiques, DM me on Instagram, chris.hwin. And that's it for the video, guys. See you next time.